that to be said. Using full expanse of the snake. I've got to say that they're more on the second half of the Burnout pad at the moment. They seem more comfortable towards the video screen area. Not sure why. I guess the wind is blowing in that direction. That may be part of it. As we move on now. I'm not saying that. Had some amazing onboard footage on the south side edge and centre super screen. Oh man, how cool did that Supercharged sound under the bonnet, Matt? Doesn't sound too cool now, no. But it did sound good, it did sound good. I think Matt, well, I hear Matt Williamson crying in the production room. I think he's overawed with the grandeur of the moment. Oh no. And Tito over for Winters. Well, he's not getting off the pad here at the moment, trying to find a gear. Will he start this car again? That is the question. Liam Oakley. I think the Ford fans have been quietly chuckling with that. Oh, the flow's a bit too much for your whole motor, eh, mate? And they're going to push him away. Oh, dear. Oh. Well, he has blown it. Prematurely blown the Milani car. Unfortunately, that's a tough break.